Hello lovely family, welcome once again to my channel. Sar Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the first time, please do well to subscribe. Also support me by subscribing, liking my video, and also sharing my video. God bless you for doing that. In today's video, I'm going to make a plumixing cleanser. This cleanser can clear all your pimples, your dark spots, your acne within 1 week. So let's go and make this cleanser together. I love you guys. We are not going to waste time to do our cleanser, so I'm going to introduce you to the ingredients. This is my rose water. I will be using my Demalies cleanser. I'll also be using my Pimples serum. This serum is very good because it will lighten or give you that yellowish tone. And also I'm going to use a pinch of my miracle powder, 42 hours lotion or cleanser. I'll be using my Saturday cleanser. Guys, these are my ingredients, and I'll also use my tea tree oil. This tea tree oil is very good for pimples and acne. So guys, let's start. Use a sanitized bowl or anything that is a clean one. I'm going to measure in 3 tablespoons of my rose water into my bowl. I'm doing a little of my cleanser for you to see so that you can do it by yourself. I'm going to also measure in 2 tablespoons of my Demalies cleanser, and I'll add it to my rose water. 2 tablespoons of my Demalies cleanser. I'll also measure in my Saturday cleanser or Santat cleanser. I'll also take in only 1 tablespoon of my Santat cleanser. I'll also take in my 42 hours cleanser. I'll just measure in 1 tablespoon of it, of my 42-hour cleanser or 42 hours cleanser. I'll also take in my Pimples serum. Guys, I'll be putting all my ingredients on my screen, so please watch it till the end. Yes, then you mix it properly before you can add in the rest of the ingredients. I'll be giving you authentic and also true and trusted recipes. So guys, why don't you subscribe to my channel? I have added a pinch of my miracle powder. A pinch of my miracle powder. Then I will stir it very well. Guys, make sure to stir it properly for the miracle powder to be combined very well before you can add in your tea tree oil. This one is essential oil, so I'm going to add in 5 to 6 drops of my oil into my mixture. Then I'll mix it again properly. Yes guys, mix it again. I'm going to change the bowl into a cup. Yes, I'm going to change in my cleanser into a cup for easy filling in my bottle. Yes, I've changed to a cup so that I will stir it properly before I'll just put it in a bottle. Yes, I'm going to put it in a bottle. Try to shake it whenever you are using this cleanser. Shake it very well for the miracle powder to work for you. Guys, look at our cleanser. Yes, it's very good for acne, pimples, dark spots. Cleanser will cleanse all your pimples within 1 week. Thank you for watching my video.